In this presentation, I'm going to show you how gaming in special education classrooms can prove to be a teacher's secret weapon when working with children with special needs. How can gaming support a special ed classroom? Well, in special needs classrooms, gaming can be used for a multitude of facets for educational purposes and social development of a child. For many of my children in special ed, we are really focusing on social skills as well as academic skills. Gaming can be used with academic and educational games, as well as to work on social skills and collaboration among students. In the study, reviewing the need for gaming in education to accommodate the next generation, students agree that gaming could have an added value in their education. Gaming can help reinforce what is being taught in the classroom in a fun and interactive way. How does gaming support learners' process of learning? Today, we live in the presence of a generation of kids who have known no time untouched by the promises and pitfalls of digital technology. It is important to recognize that this is how we will connect with our students on their level. It can help with teaching children skills such as working together, how to win or lose, how to communicate appropriately with peers, etc. Gaming in a third grade classroom could look like using an app together like Minecraft. Minecraft has a great educational addition. It can be done individually or with a peer. There are also apps that can be turned into a game like the Tactus Therapy apps. Tactus Therapy has a multitude of apps that are great for children with special needs. For the purposes of gaming in the classroom, the Tactus Conversation Therapy app is a great gaming app that can be used amongst multiple students to provide the improvement of social skills and conversational skills. This is a sample right here of what the Minecraft education app looks like. This app is so great because you can actually reinforce what is being taught in the classroom. Say you're learning about the Civil War, and you can assign a student to make what the Civil War would look like and to add characters, and they can work on this with a partner or individually. And this is also a great way to have a game with another peer, especially for some of my students that have difficulty conversing with other peers. This kind of puts them in a fun way to converse with a peer and to work on something together. This is an example of what the Tactus Therapy app looks like. So here we can have great conversation starters, and if they complete so many conversation starters and are doing a great job and monitored by a teacher, then they can maybe choose a prize at the end of the conversation from the toy chest. How does this support the final product for learning? A game world that appeals to students with diverse learning needs seems to be the one that compromises a simple fantasy with instant and ever-present reward. For many of my special needs students, one of their biggest challenges is the social aspect of the educational process and instant reward. Gaming allows for students to still stay engaged academically and learn the skills necessary to be successful socially while being instantly rewarded for wanted behavior. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.